The next thing is we have to see about the single source all destination in non-negative edge cost. In this topic, it is also known as the Dijistra's algorithm. There is a given graph. The graph is considered as G and vertices and the edge. So we can assume G of V comma E with its adjacency matrix, and so the vertex is also provided. So we have to find the minimum shortest path between the source vertex to any other vertex of the graph by using Dijistra's algorithm. So this is one of the graph. It is a directed graph, and each vertex have an edge, and it has a cost of the distance. Based on this cost of the distance, we have to find the minimum shortest path from source to destination. So by using this Dijistra's, we have to find the minimum path. From the starting node, any other node find the smallest distance. In this problem, the graph is represented using adjacency matrix. Here we can use the cost and adjacency matrix for a similar purpose. We have to use here. If there is a path from source with another vertices, means we have to check the distance, cost of the distance under the adjacency matrix. Then if any other vertex cannot have any cost between the two vertices, means we can denote as a infinity. Okay. For example, if there is a vertex of 1 and 2, if there is any path between 1 and 2, here it is 1 and 2, there is a path, means no path. There is a no path in between the 1 comma 2. Okay. So 1 comma 2 means where here this is a 0 comma 0, and here 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2. Here 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. Okay. So under the part of the matrix, that is a graph, we can consider the path of the corresponding node, starting node. Then if there is any distance under between the path, means we have to notify the corresponding cost of the distance. Otherwise, it does not have any directed graph under the each node, means we have to consider as a infinity. Okay. So this is the input of the statement in adjacency matrix. Then output, how it will become came means 0 to 1 using 0 means the cost is 3. 0 to 2 by using 1 means the cost is 5. 0 to 3 by using cost is 4 means, then 0 to 4 using 3 means the cost is 6. 0 to 5 using 2 means the cost is 7. 0 to 6 using 4, the cost is 7. So by using the directed weighted graph, we can edge may have the negative cost. Then no cycle whose the cost is less than 0 means 0. We have to find the shortest path from the given source vertex to each of the n vertex in the digraph. So in the Dijistra's algorithm, the time complexity of the algorithm is order of n square. Okay. Then next topic is single source, all destination in weight, general weight. In this topic, this is also known as Bellman-Ford algorithm, is used to also find the minimum distance from source vertex to any other vertices. The main difference between this algorithm is the Dijistra's algorithm, it cannot handle the negative weight. So here in Bellman-Ford algorithm, it can easily handle the negative weight. Okay, so find the distance in bottom up manner. First, it finds the distance which has only one edge in the path. After that, it increase the path of the length to find all possible solution. So input of the cost matrix is given in the adjacency matrix. The output, we can handle the negative value. Okay, so the cost of the weight on denoting the negative edge cycle, it can be handled. So this is the difference between the Dijistra's and Bellman-Ford algorithm. So this is one of the diagram for getting the value. This is the input value. So the input value can find the shortest path between the each vertices. So under the each vertices, the cost of the distance between the two edge has also negative value. So it accepts the negative value and find the minimum path of the each edge and getting the shortest path of the all vertices from one source node to another source node.